IT training, University of Otago, showing sharing a group from your Endnote library via the Endnote website. If you are syncing your library to Endnote and log in at the Endnote website by putting in the email address that you are using for syncing with, and the password, the same one as goes in the Endnote program for syncing, and you sign in, then you see Endnote's copy of your library. From here, I can go to Organize and manage my groups, the groups of references that I'd set up in my library. And for any of those groups, I can share them, managing the sharing and putting in email addresses that people have set themselves up with for their use of the Endnote website. So I can either be sharing this group in a read-only fashion, or I can allow the people I am sharing it with to add to the group. Any attached PDFs are not shared if you share the Endnote library via this means.